How to change speedometer unit in CarX Street. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you want to change the KPH to MPH in CarX Street, then you can easily do it from the in-game settings. Launch open the CarX Street game on your device, and once you're inside the lobby screen, go to the top left corner and tap on the menu button. Now once you get to this page, make sure you are inside the game option and then go ahead and select MPH right next to speedometer in order to change the speedometer unit. Now once you toggle on this switch, you'll be able to change between kilometer per hour to MPH. Now you can get back to the lobby and start the game. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.